Good morning. It is almost 10 o'clock a.m. Massachusetts. Lovely Tuesday. No work, no school. I'm sure you already know if you live in New England anyway. Don't mind my decorations, but look at my windowsill. So if you see my air conditioner thing, it starts from there on the outside, obviously. But look how high up it got up to. You can't even see on my window. Like, can you see a little bit? You can see where it starts. And it goes all the way up to there. Which is like past my height right now. So, got a ruler. I got my T-scale. This is 24 inches. So, it's more than 24 inches of snow on my windowsill right now. Because it's the same height on the outside. And it's more than 24 inches. Like look at the significance. Way more than 24 inches. So where does it go to? It goes to the little green thing. No, it goes to the blue one. It's 24 inches. So from blue to a little above the store, that's another 12 inches on top of that. So that's 36 inches of snow in Massachusetts. See that? 36 inches of snow on top of my windowsill. Chilling. Chilling. Open the window. Look at this. 36 inches of snow on my windowsill. Chilling. So yes, I still have my Christmas decorations up, and I'm not taking them down till maybe a couple of days before Valentine's Day, but let's focus on the snow. Even though I got my tree up still too. Yes, I still got my tree up. And actually I've had it up since last year. But I live solo dolo, so I can leave my decorations up. This is my house. This is my house. I do whatever I want. But yeah. 36 inches of snow on my windowsill right now. You see that from out there? 36 inches. Where'd my T-scale go? $36 Bam. Massachusetts for you. You know I'm mad because I'm not getting paid today. I don't got a career where I get paid on days off and stuff. So it's all good though. I'm still looking for a better job. 36 inches of snow. Just felt like sharing right there. As soon as I woke up to go work out, I was like, yo. I don't think it snowed like this in years. Like, years. It makes you want to go out and like do snow angels and stuff because you know ain't nobody outside. Well, hopefully ain't nobody outside, but makes me want to go outside. The kid in me. It's all good though. I'm gonna probably still walk my way to my mama's house. Somehow. I've seen some cars out there too. You can't see none now. But I have seen a couple cars go by. They're crazy tails. But yeah. Just felt like sharing. My windowsill. 36 inches of snow chilling. Massachusetts.